Kilo Alpha 6 November Papa Delta. How you doing there, Rich? Holy smokes, you're 5'9", buddy. QSL.
QSL, Salmon. Thank you for the 5'9", and to your both parks there, I have you 5'7", 5'7" SoCal.
Woo! Inverted V on a bamboo. It's absolute rubbish. G'day mates, Simon, VA7 BIX Crazy HamJazz. Welcome back for another episode of the Rubbish Antenna series. This has to be the laziest, easiest antenna I've ever built in my life. And if you're a fisherman or you know anybody that's a fisherman and you can find yourself even on Amazon or anywhere like that, any sort of fishing reel, these are a couple of old bait casters that are about 40 years old. And all I've done, guys, is I've rolled 100 feet of copper wire onto each of these. It's got no enamel on it at all, guys, so it's pure copper wire. We are going to make the laziest antenna in the world. We're also going to make this we're going to use this. This is my neighbour's big, huge, honking piece of bamboo. Woohoo! So this is going to be the mast. We're going to set this up as an inverted V, and we're going to make some contacts. All right, guys, here we go. So what I've got here, guys, I don't even have a choke on it. I've just got the barrel, the PL259 barrel to the male PL259 to the, I guess you call that the male BNC, into one of these fabulous little binding posts. And I'm simply going to tape this up to here. I'll go down a little bit like so. I'm just going to put just ordinary electrician's tape, and we will literally be on the air in minutes. I'm just going to wrap the copper wire around this side. But what we want to do today, guys, just for a quick bit of fun, we want to get this thing resonant on 20 meters. And I want to do a huge shout out to my official sponsor of this episode, Mileseey. Thank you so much, Mileseey and Haynes, for sending me this fabulous unit here. And this is the Precision X measuring tool. This thing is absolutely amazing. So you see my bike there, you just shine it over to the bike, boom, tells you the distance, 9 feet. And what we're going to do, guys, so we can get some absolute accuracy for distances, the cool thing about this, check this out. It's got the same 1/4-inch thread as a camera. You can screw it onto here. So now you're not getting the wobbles from moving it, moving it up and down.
I like that.
So then you look at that, guys. So then you can basically, we can hone in, we can zoom in on something that is 17 feet away. Seriously, this is just the easiest antenna in the history of the world. We're just going to walk over here. Just make sure you don't have any kinks in your copper wire, because remember, it is 24 gauge, so it's pretty fine. Boom. We're 1.3 to 1 at 14.5.
Spark, Kilo Sierra 0, Mike India Kilo, 4258 and 5539, QSL. I've got you about a 5'9" into my part, QS2, 331 in Kansas. Kilo Alpha 6, November Papa Delta. QSL, Salmon, thank you for the 5'9", and to your both parks there, I have you 5'7", 5'7" SoCal.
Roger, mate. Thanks for the 5'7" into SoCal, buddy. Have a great day, and 7-3.
7-3, take care.
Good on you, mate. This is Victor Alpha 7, Bravo Indy X-Ray, QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 1, Quebec Kilo. QSL
Yes!
5'6". I've got you really late tonight, Simon. I got you about a 5'1" over into New Hampshire.
Look at this thing. Woo! The inverted V on a bamboo. It's absolute rubbish. I love it.
Kilo Juliet 7, November X-ray Victor, Arizona, Euro 44. Thank you very much, Simon. Nice hearing you again. Take care.
Good on you, mate. You take care there, buddy. And 7-3. This is Victor Alpha 7, Bravo Indy X-Ray, QRZ.
Whiskey 7, Victor Oscar Zulu, Park.
QSL, Simon, I've got you 5'7" here in US 4393. QSL?
Well, there we go, guys. Very, very simple. So get yourself a fishing reel. I've got another one here, but just a couple of fishing reels. Plug casters are really good, or bait casters, because they're nice. They have a nice wide spool. And just one little bit of advice or suggestion, when you're winding them, make sure you put from the spool that you buy it on, put it on a screwdriver, because you don't want that thing twisting every time when it comes off the end. You want it to come off straight off the spool. Otherwise you can get a terrible tangle.
November 1, Quebec, Papa Alpha. Marcel, you are 5-2 in Romeo Waiter.
Alrighty guys, well there you go. We just set it up for 20 metres. This thing's an absolute beauty. What I'll quickly do, just for fun, I'm just going to, just for argument's sake, just see how easy it would be to make this RAS pure. I'm just going to literally take this back. I'm going to guess. I'm just going to literally just unclip it. I'm going to just take it back to basically here. And the whole idea or the whole premise here is how easy it is to get this thing to the lower bands, like 40 or 80 metres. I'm just going to quickly see where that is resonant right now. Oh, there we go. One to one on 8.6 megahertz. So all I'd have to do is just unwind it just a little bit more, which I'll quickly do. It's toying with me. Now it's 1.4 to 1 at 6.7 megahertz, so it's just a little long. Guys, you get the idea. It's absolutely fantastic. I do want to do a huge shout out to Mileseey. I'm going to be using this at every one of my activations, particularly when it's a little lighter, or sorry, a little darker, and I'm in enclosed spaces, and if I'm in somewhere and I need to measure out really quickly that little tree over there. Boom, there we are. That's 23 feet. That's too long. Let's go to that one beside it. Yep, that's 19 feet. I will say, guys, drum roll, this antenna is RAS Pure, which is the Rubbish Antenna Series Pure, which means without a loaded coil, I didn't even use a choke. I can get it resonant on 20 metres. I can get it resonant probably on every band with this as an inverted V. We're running out of daylight, and it is rubbish, so it's all good. So thanks everybody for watching. If this is the first time to my channel, g'day mates, thank you so much for swinging by. If you're a return viewer, thank you so much for dropping by again. And guys, if you haven't done so already, please hit that like and subscribe, because your support fuels my passion and helps keep the inspiration alive. This is Crazy HamJazz. I love this. I'm just so happy about this rubbish antenna series, because let's face it guys, I've been making rubbish antennas for years now, and it's what I'm quote unquote good at, making stuff badly. All right everybody, you're awesome. Have a fantastic weekend, day, night, wherever you are in the world. I truly appreciate all your support. This is HamJazz, over and out. Woohoo!